Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows computer. This is that it cannot open this item. It might have been moved, renamed, or deleted. Do you want to remove this item? And then you're prompted with a yes or a no. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to actually just click on no and then refresh your desktop or wherever you're currently trying to delete your file and make sure it hasn't already been deleted. So just right click on your desktop, for example, if you've closed out of that dialog window, and you would select the refresh button and see if that file is no longer present on your system. You can also restart your computer as well if you're, not getting the results you're looking for. So restart your system and then attempt to either move, rename, or delete the file in question. And that should really be about it, guys. There shouldn't really be much to this than that. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.